Molomo, Kunle, Elijah. I'm a student of Bako University in San Remo, Ogun State, undergone the course under education, which is education planning and administration. Under this presentation, it is educational technology, and the tutor, his name is Mr. Ye. I want to present work ethics with a subtitle called diplomacy. What is work ethics? Definition of work of ethics. A modern dictionary definition of ethics is character or the ideal of character manifested by a race of people. For the purpose of this presentation, it is interesting to note that dictionary includes a subcategory of personal ethics, a set of principles of right conduct, the rule of standard governing the conduct of a person or a member of profession. From American Heritage Dictionary of English Language, 3rd edition, 1992. Diplomacy is the art of relationship in terms of behavioral ethics from one individual or others, or bilateral relationship exists between two or more settlements, town, villages, country. The word diplomacy in this era can be subtitled with consistency, which is the individual style of behavior or reaction to an issue. For an individual, there must be a laid down protocol in handling or settling matter. It may be written or unwritten procedure. There must be a reflection of an inbuilt in the individual without changes when compromised, and be candid even from the suppressed power beyond. Diplomacy can be used to refer to some individual and the community based on their immense contribution to the society in their line of vocational course or profession. E.g., Wole Soyinka, a novelist; Gani Fawemi, a lawyer; other individual agents, ambassadors, elder statesmen, political godfather, and religious leader. There must be reflection of diplomats within their personal reason or concern just underneath. Diplomacy in work area. When skills are being applied in any work unit, there must be an application of ethical guide in order to control the individual style for the ultimate goal of the company. During the training or orientation on the course of duty, a new staff should be oriented to be diplomats or consistency in line of their duty. Many governance dysfunction arise because the agent have different agenda from the principal. Classic function of diplomacy. The classic function of diplomacy is to effect the communication between one own government and other government or individual abroad, and to do this with maximum accuracy, imagination, tact, and good sense. The job is to maintain communication between two separate and illegal terms, sovereignty political entities as the representative of one to other, from the origin of political orders books by Ferrar, Staros, and Giros, 2011. Diplomat definition. Diplomat dictionary. In diplomat dictionary, diplomacy is to do and say the nastiest thing in the nicest way. In another proverb, the patriotic art of lying or dying for one's country. A diplomat is a person who tries to solve complicated problem which will have notarized if there have been no diplomats. This course. Members of diplomatic corps are highly placed to oversee and supervise the discrepancy that exists between two communities and nations. During war, they negotiate for ceasefire or total peace between the warring teams. Reporting. The diplomatic responsible for transmitting official message and reporting the responses, but also for describing and interpreting the environment, even before the message is prepared, and for interpreting the responses. Immortalization. Apart from commentators, some diploma will do to be immortalized based on the conduct of service rendered to the nation. Example are philosophers like Plato, Aristotle, John Locke, and the rest. Their duty process take place in immortal creatures, nation, state, and diploma who conduct its interaction. Early policy is one thing, but personality and how they interact matter a lot. That is, a sense of personal responsibility for word used in discussing international affairs. More fight between natural person come from insult than from injury. Also, nations are even more sensitive to the insult than individual. Ethical value. The ethical quality that arises from this situation is that of honesty. The requirement that the diplomat as a representative and interpreter must somehow earn and maintain credibility within two masters. Each of whom may see that effort as betrayal. The rise of modern totalitarian power that deny the laws and the value of traditional nation and the traditional diploma has given a new twist to this old problem. Once again, my names are Molomo Kunle Elijah, matric number 15/4030, course code Edu 244. Thanks.